What's the secret to precision manufacturing? At Forte Precision Metals, we know it starts with the right materials, and one of the key materials we use is 416 stainless steel. What is 416 stainless steel? It's a popular high-strength material that's used in a wide range of applications. 416 stainless steel is known for its excellent machinability, corrosion resistance, and high hardness. It's often used in the manufacturing of machined parts and components that require high levels of precision. Some of the most common applications of 416 stainless steel include pumps, valves, shafts. And at Forte Precision Metals, we specialize in precision grinding 416 stainless round bars to exacting tolerances. With our centerless grinding service, we can achieve tight tolerances and surface finishes that meet the most demanding specifications. So, whether you're looking for 416 stainless steel round bars or precision grinding services, Forte Precision Metals has you covered. Visit our website today to learn more about how we can help you achieve precision in your manufacturing processes.